Can you hear that ghost train whistling down the track? Can you hear that ghost train whistling down the track? Friends, can you hear her whistling that tune? It sounds like them northern Nevada Railway blues. There she goes, she's crossing Copper Flat. There she goes, she's crossing Copper Flat. Is this train a ghost or is it just a dream? But I swear I saw old 40 steaming up to Kimberly. Spiking tides when we heard a mighty roar. Spiking tides when we heard a mighty roar. A ghostly engineer cried, "Step out of the way. There's 100 years of history rolling your way." I was born near the track on a February day. I smelt that smoke and cinder blow my way. When the angels come for me on my dying day, I'm gonna ride that ghost train far, far away. When the angels come for me on my dying day, I'm gonna ride that ghost train far, far away.